What's up, YouTubers? My name is Brennan. This is Super Nerd Hobbyist. Today we're making a Bulbasaur statue. So this is the Bulbasaur statue. We got the body, the vines, the little pieces of grass, his number, the stage, then his bulb. We're going to see how long this takes. So altogether it's going to take about 7 hours and 20 minutes. So we'll get to printing and see you after it's done.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
So here's all of our pieces now. We got our Bulbasaur right here. We got his bulb, his vines, his Pokédex number, the little stage he's going to sit on, and then little pieces of grass that come out to the side. So the next step now is to use these pliers and carefully take off the supports of all these pieces, and we can see what this whole thing is going to look like, and then we can get on to painting after that. Okay, let's get to it.
As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay, just let me...
And I know I haven't shown this before, but when you're taking off supports like this and you're using pliers, just make sure not to take off parts that are part of that actual thing. Kind of like this is a little bit easier because you just take it here and just barely twist. It should just fall right off. More complex pieces, kind of like the back of Bulbasaur, you'll see all these bigger pieces here. What you want to do is take off little by little. And just take your time until you can get all those big pieces off. And you, like I said, you want to do this so you make sure you're not breaking off no pieces of him. Kind of like the most dangerous part right now is his mouth, because he has teeth in here, like you can see a little bit right there. I gotta make sure I gotta take these parts out and not his teeth, otherwise it kind of ruins the look of Bulbasaur. So just a reminder, just take your time taking it off. The easiest way to do it is just take off a little piece and just barely twist. If you're twisting and it's too hard, it's probably part of your 3D printed project. But these trees are hollow, so you should even be able to just crush them or snap them off. So just be careful on doing it and continue doing it like that. Okay.
Be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control them.
So these are all the pieces that I got done with. They turned out really well. Even take the supports off, I didn't have very much resistance, and they all kind of came off really nice. So there's their number one for Bulbasaur. Little pieces of grass, his vines, and of course his body. Now, as you can see right there on top of his head, I will have to sand that down pretty well with his ears too. Probably his stomach as well. Anywhere I can see those rings. I probably won't do it right here because that bulb is going to cover that up. So, and then of course, like the vines have little pieces on them too that probably need smoothed out. Just so you can guys get an idea of what this project looks like all together, I'm going to go ahead and put it together, and then we'll get into the next part. So this is what Bulbasaur looks like put together. I absolutely love this. Grass type Pokemon are usually not my favorite, but I do love this grass type Pokemon statue. I love how this grass sticks up from the sides, and of course how detailed you can see Bulbasaur's little spots and stuff, which, yeah. But even though all of it still looks really good, you can obviously see certain spots that definitely need sanding, like that in front. So that will be our next thing to do, is we're going to take these pieces outside, sand them down pretty well and smooth them out, and then use some Bondo. And after that dries, we're going to sand them down again, and then come back over here and get to painting. So let's get to it. So this is what it looks like after it's done with the Bondo. And I didn't record it, but I also used the sandpaper after it was done to kind of smooth out the head and ears, and also his little vine whips. That's what it looks like so far. So the next step is to put primer in it, and I'm going to use this white primer. Morely because all of his colors are light, so it'll make the color pop out more, especially the grass, and of course his bulb and everything else. So we'll get to that part and we'll make him look more like Bulbasaur. Alright, let's get to it.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out,
And this is what it looks like after it's done. I still gotta glue this together. I'm gonna use some Gorilla Glue to put all these pieces together. But this is what he looks like now. I think I might have done too many layers of that bluish green on his skin, which is fine. It still turns out really well, so that's what he looks like now. So that'll be the last step, is to glue it together and finally finishing Bulbasaur. So hopefully you guys liked it.
That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I truly loved making this statue and airbrushing it and everything. And then I did love how this turned out, so hopefully you guys did too. So please like, share, subscribe, and follow for more content. And please comment down below if you think I need to change anything or improve on my videos or lighting. I'm looking more into doing that to make my videos look more professional. So please let me know what I could do better, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. See ya. Bye.